everything in your mind, like it's really loud.
But sorry, the miracle is not happening in my dream.
Hi, welcome to Ghosty Ghost, the podcast that keep you up at night. With me, Juliana, and tonight we are talking about something very unsettling. Nightmare. Do you ever wake up and can't tell if what you saw was a dream or something real? All the time. Sometimes it feels like my dreams bleed into reality, like the boundaries just disappear. That's exactly what we are exploring tonight. When dream starts to feel too real and reality feels like a real nightmare. And we are not alone tonight. We got one guest who agree to share their most haunting nightmare experience. So without any further ado, please welcome Reza.
Hello guys, I'm Reza here.
Okay, how are you, Reza?
Of course, I'm good. And how about you?
Yeah, I am fine too. Thank you for asking, by the way.
Yes, and also thanks for having me.
We are thank you also. And what did you do recently, actually?
Actually, recently I, as a college student, and of course my activity is go to campus, study, and do my thesis progress.
Is it horror?
I think not really horror as my experience.
Oh wow. So your thesis is not really horror, it's more horror your experience then.
Of course, exactly.
Okay, what kind of nightmare experience ex you ever had?
Actually, I have so many nightmare experiences, but can I tell one the most horror?
Yes, you can.
Okay, get ready.
Alright then.
Okay, this is my story. Maybe if I'm not mistaken, it happened on 2018.
2008,
Yeah, maybe 6 or 7 years ago.
7 years ago.
It is when I was 15. When I was 15, I'm in high school.
Okay.
So, can you imagine how small I am?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the story start in one night I cannot sleep deeply. I don't know what's wrong with me that I cannot sleep deeply and I feel so strange with myself, with my bedroom, with the atmosphere that I cannot fit in.
Okay.
I don't know why, like, in that moment, like, I have so many problem.
Maybe you think about your examination.
Yeah, I guess so.
Mm-hmm.
I guess so. Because I have so many problem in my mind, yeah. So I cannot think clearly and it brings in my dream.
Okay.
So at this one night, one creepy night. Okay, it start with I dream. I found myself lost in the jungle.
In the jungle.
Yeah, I found my car is broken.
Okay.
So what can we do? What can I do?
Nothing.
Nothing. Eh?
Nothing then.
Yeah, I found my car is broken and I try to walk. I want to ask someone to help me
And
to
then.
fix my car or to save me in the dark of the jungle.
Okay.
And suddenly I found a simple place, or maybe in Indonesian we call it as a warkop.
Okay, warkop.
Yeah, do you know warkop?
Yeah, I know
The
it.
small store, yeah, a small store I guess, which sell coffee, tea, and the other food.
Yeah.
So, if I'm not mistaken, that the time was in 11 p.m. or maybe 12 p.m.
Okay, so it at the middle of the night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And nothing people and no one out from their home.
Okay.
That was so story. That was so creepy.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I start to walk and enter the workshop. I see three people with different style, with different clothes,
Okay.
sit, look in front of them. So I can see their back.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Just so to stay back. You didn't see their face.
At the first, I didn't see their face at all because, yeah, I cannot see it clearly because the direction is opposite.
Okay. Yeah. It's opposite then.
Gitu.
Okay. I can imagine it.
Yeah. What happened next? I try to like look at them. I try to investigate. Like, I'm so curious that what happened here, and I start to ask the owner.
Okay. Are you going to order something?
Yes, I want to order something.
Okay.
And then when I ask the owner come out with his old style, I guess, like maybe
Vintage.
yeah, vintage. And I guess the owner was so old, like maybe up to 60 years old,
Oh yeah.
because I can see that his hair is almost white.
Oh, so it's the owner. It's male, not female.
Yeah, he is male. So I asked him to make a cup of hot tea for me, because I think hot tea is suitable for night situation.
Okay. Yeah. Maybe.
Not long time, he come back
Back.
with a cup of hot tea for me.
Yeah.
I receive and I start to sit and I try to drink. But when the cup is already touched my mouth, there's people beside me is whispering to me like, "Don't drink." But in my dream, he whisper in Japanese like, "Ojo diombe."
Oh. Okay. In Japanese.
I don't know what does it mean, like is it a sign, is it only a strange voice or anything, like I cannot make sure.
Okay. So after that, you hear the voice of don't drink. What happened next? Are you still drinking it or you just leave it?
I stop my activity and I think that, oh, what happened, what's going on,
Okay.
like I cannot see the light, like maybe what happened. So I try to thinking first.
Okay.
In the middle of the midnight, there is no voice of anything, and I try to ignore it.
Okay.
When I try to drink again, and the whispering sound come back.
Is it from the same people or
The different people,
the different people?
maybe the most far,
At the four.
the first
Okay.
people.
Is it what is the people trying to whisper to you?
Yeah, maybe he tried to give me a sign,
Yeah. What is that?
same as the previous people,
Oh,
like don't drink.
Don't drink. Okay. Okay. And then.
And then when I try to drink, I wake up.
Oh.
Suddenly I wake up in my bedroom and I see the clock that was, if I'm not mistaken, 2:30 a.m.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
2:30 a.m.
Yeah.
And then the same dream happened in tomorrow.
Oh,
When I
so the
start
next day.
to sleep, yeah, when I start to sleep, that I found myself lost in the jungle with my broken car.
Again.
Yeah, again with the same
clothes?
situation, with the same clothes,
Okay.
of course.
Okay.
And then I see the light, like, oh my gosh, this is the last workshop or the workshop that I visit yesterday.
Oh yeah. You realize it then it's just the same place, the same situation as yesterday's dream.
Slowly I realize it.
Okay.
like-
In your dream.
Yeah,
Okay.
I can see, and I can think that is it the workshop that I visit yesterday, and I guess yes, because I can see the direction is the same, the position, even the color of the building.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, and I start to walk to enter the workshop, and can you guess what happened?
The people is the same.
Yeah, I found three people with the same clothes, same position, and same activity. One with their cup of maybe coffee or anything, one with their cigarettes, and the ones on the last people with their food. Maybe in Indonesia we call it as gorengan.
Oh yeah, okay. That's good.
Yeah,
Yeah, warkop have gorengan.
and then I start to ask the coffee.
The
The
coffee.
coffee. Yeah, I want to order coffee at the time.
Oh, okay.
And then like it's nothing happened like yesterday. And suddenly I wake up.
So nothing happened,
Nothing happened.
and you just wake up.
Yeah, I just wake up. And then this is the final day, like I have a big dream.
Big dream.
Can you imagine like um I don't know why, like in that day I wake up oh no, I sleep early.
Oh yeah.
In 8 p.m. I sleep.
Okay,
Wow,
okay.
it's like a miracle with the problem was so loud in my head, in my mind, like I can sleep early. Wow, this magical happened to me.
Yeah, because you were cannot sleep early because you, I don't know, you have anything. You have anything, everything in your mind, like it's really loud.
But sorry, the miracle is not happening in my dream.
Oh, okay.
Because this is the last day I found myself again
In the
lost in
jungle.
the jungle with my broken car and with the same clothes.
Okay.
Oh my god, same clothes. And I see the water cup.
Okay.
I start to enter. Can you guess?
So the same people with the same activity
Yeah,
and the same clothes.
yeah.
Right.
But the difference is, you know? Can you guess what the difference between the
I don't know.
first and second day?
I don't know, maybe the owner is different.
Yeah, the owner has a different expression.
Okay, so what happened with the expressions?
For the first day, the owner like a flat expression, like. And when he tries to solve my drink, like, here is your drink, without any expression like smile or maybe we call it as SOP for the Indonesian
Yeah, okay.
restaurant or anything. Like he didn't has expression. But in the last day I dream, his expression was so happy. Like he ready to get his food.
Oh, could you just give the example of what the owner's expressions?
Maybe like I'm so sorry, yeah.
Okay.
I asked him for a cup of hot tea.
And then?
He served like, this is your hot tea, with a creepy smile.
Oh my
Oh my gosh.
Okay,
Yeah.
I feel the ambience now.
I start to drink when the cup touched my lips. The same thing happened like yesterday. The people beside me whispering, oh no, not whisper, but he screamed,
Scream.
don't drink. Yeah. And then I try to ignore. I try to
drink
drink.
again.
Yeah, what a stupid. So the people, the next him, are whispering again. But no whisper, it is scream. The scream is surround me like I can hear
Okay,
from
okay,
the
okay.
left, right,
Okay.
above
So
and
it's just
below.
go
Like, yeah.
around your.
Yeah, it's like a 360.
Oh, okay. It's the same thundering,
Yeah.
but it's louder.
And then the owner come.
What
And
happened?
she look at me, he stare at me,
Okay.
and he smile like, let's drink. There, be fearless.
Oh, wow.
And then I feel that something creepy, something wrong.
Okay.
And then I spill my tea, like I just pretend to drink, but I spill the tea
Tea
down.
on the ground, yeah.
So my cup is empty without I drink.
Okay.
Okay. And then I get ready to pay the bill.
Okay, and then?
I ask him how much the price. And then he say 3K or 3,000.
3,000.
Yeah.
3,000 rupiah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
3,000 rupiah. And then I give the money, and he say, where is the bill for yesterday?
Oh.
Where is the bill for yesterday? That 2 cup of tea
Hot
and
tea,
coffee
yeah.
yesterday. I haven't paid. And then I put the money and I
Run away.
ran away from the pub, from the workshop. So the owner suddenly turned into Indonesian mythical creatures we know as pocong. Oh my god! As we know that pocong is white mythical creatures with maybe not too tall body. Yeah, you know.
Yeah, I know it. And then the pocong try to chase you.
Yeah, the pocong is fly. And try to chase me, but fortunately I can escape and I can save my life.
Alhamdulillah then.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm thankful to my God, like he saves me.
Alhamdulillah. You still with us. If Reza didn't hear with us, he can tell the story to us. Okay?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so what do you feel after experience the nightmare?
After I experience it, I become apa ya? I got so many distraction in my mind. Like I'm so confused. Like what kind of that moment? What happened? What's going on? Like is it a sign? Is it a danger? Is it only a dream? I don't know. But I decide to tell in maybe paranormal. Yeah.
Okay.
I wanna know what happened. I wanna know the answer between the pocong. Like why the dream is repeat
Oh yeah, okay.
3 times.
And then what the paranormal said?
If I'm not mistaken, the paranormal said like there is something like an unseen who want to chase me
Okay.
and wanna ask me to join in her realm.
Oh wow, so that's really
Yeah, so
creepy story.
creepy.
Okay. Maybe if I were you, I can't imagine it. I were you, maybe I'm really scared. I cry overnight.
Fortunately, no. I not really take heart. It's not really pressure me too much.
But now the creature is gone, right?
Yeah,
Alhamdulillah there.
alhamdulillah.
Okay, so maybe that's the Reza story. And Reza, do you have any message for?
For the audience?
Yes, for
Okay.
the audience.
I have a message that so guys, be careful of whatever you do or whatever you make, because in every your action always has the has a result. Gitu. So be careful because the unseen things is always around you.
Yes, that's right, guys. Because every places have penunggu, jadi appreciate
Yeah.
them. Okay, so that's Reza's story. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So see you on the next episode. Bye bye, Ghosty.